This is just another quick demo of the project I've been working on. Still got some problems with it, trying to mix this file and that file and this script with this macro, and it's causing me some issues, but let's see what we can do with it.
The weather in Maryland is partly cloudy at 68 degrees Fahrenheit. There is a humidity of 49 and a wind speed of 9 miles per hour.
See, that's one of them right there. All right, clear the desktop.
Clearing.
There's another problem. Load the interface.
Here you are.
Another problem. Tell me about Nancy Reagan.
You want to know about Nancy Reagan? Nancy Davis Reagan, born Anne Frances Robbins, July 6, 1921, is the widow of the 40th President of the United States, Ronald Reagan, First Lady of the United States from 1981 to 1989, and a former actress.
Question: Who is the CEO of Apple Incorporated?
Sure. Who is the CEO of Apple Incorporated? One moment. Acquiring the data. Timothy D. Cook, Director and Chief Executive Officer.
Question: How old is Timothy D. Cook?
Sure. How old is to retain the cup? One moment. Acquiring the data.
Wrong. Question: Who is the CEO of Suburban Propane?
Sure. Who is the CEO of Suburban Propane? One moment. Acquiring the data. Michael A. Stiveller, Director, President and Chief Executive Officer.
Show me an image of Suburban Propane.
One moment. Acquiring image data for Suburban Propane. The image data should now be on screen.
Close the window. Tell me about Henry Ford.
You want to know about Henry Ford? Henry Ford, July 30, 1863, April 7, 1947, was an American industrialist, the founder of the Ford Motor Company, and the sponsor of the development of the assembly line technique of mass production.
Question: What was the cause of Henry Ford's
Sure.
death?
Loading now.
Question: What caused Henry Ford's death?
Sure.
Question: What was the cause of Henry Ford's
Sure.
death?
What was the cause of Henry Ford's death? One moment. Acquiring the data. Cerebral hemorrhage.
What was the cause of death of Ronald Reagan?
68 degrees Fahrenheit. http://www.thesaurus.com/browse/automobile.
Clear the desktop.
Clearing.
Question: What was the cause of death of Ronald Reagan?
Sure.
Question: What was the cause of death of Ronald Reagan?
Sure.
Question: What was the cause of death of Ronald Reagan?
Sure. What was the cause of death of Ronald Reagan? One moment. Acquiring the data. Alzheimer's disease, pneumonia.
Show me an image of Ronald Reagan.
One moment. Acquiring image data for Ronald Reagan. The image data should now be on screen.
Close the window. Question, what time is it in Tokyo? Question, what time is it in Tokyo?
What time is it in Tokyo? 1 moment. Acquiring the data. 6:03 and 11 seconds AM JST, Thursday, October 15th, 2015.
Question, what time is it in New York City?
Sure. What time is it in New York City? 1 moment. Acquiring the data. 3:30 p.m. EDT, Wednesday, October 14th, 2015.
Question, what time is it in Germany?
What time is it in Germany? 1 moment. Acquiring the data. 3:46 p.m. CEST, Wednesday, October 14th, 2015.
Question, what's the definition of automobile?
Sure. What's the definition of automobile? 1 moment. Acquiring the data. 1. Noun, a motor vehicle with 4 wheels, usually propelled by an internal combustion engine. 2. Verb, travel in an automobile.
Show me the definition of automobile.
Definition loaded for automobile. The definition request is complete. Here you are.
Close the window. What's another word for automobile? Show me another word for automobile.
1 moment. Alternatives for automobile are loaded. Here you are.
Close window. Show me an image of an automobile.
1 moment. Acquiring image data for an automobile. The image data should now be on screen.
Thank you.
Glad to help.
I do kind of like the raspy voice.
Well, it is kinda sexy, isn't it?
It sure is. Close the window.
I knew that you would like it.
Close the window. Close the window.